day in the life of Samford and the College of Health Sciences. It is a great accomplishment to have these facilities completed so that we can now bring together the 4 schools to actually put the interprofessional model of teaching, learning, and clinical experience together.
Facilities are amazing. It's so wonderful to be able to walk around in this beautiful place that God's blessed us with here, and it's just such an upgrade from what we did have with our labs. And I'm so excited for all the new nursing students that are coming in that are going to get to start in these labs, and I can't wait to see how much more it helps just enabling them in growing and learning and becoming the best nurses that they can be.
The real pearl in this is the student. These facilities provide opportunity for our students to learn and practice with disciplines other than their own. And as the healthcare environment continues to change, we have to prepare our students to be graduates that can practice in teams and multidisciplinary groups.